Good morning. Today I want you to have some fun with me. We are going to make suet for birds. And why would we want to do that? And the answer is because it's such a versatile and nutritious food option for birds that can provide a range of benefits for both birds and us bird watchers. And while suet is commonly associated with winter feeding, suet can be used year-round to provide birds with a reliable source of energy and nutrients. They can help attract and maintain bird populations in your area throughout the year. The base of your suet will always be fat, wholesome vegetable fat or any other rendered animal hard fat preferably. 500 grams in this case, then 1 cup of oats, and next 1 cup of maize meal. One cup of wild bird seed, and then 1 cup of plain flour, and a cup of white sugar. Mix well then, and we are going to pour it into the melted fat in your pot. Bring it up to a boil on a medium heat, and we are going to boil it for quite a while on this heat setting. One of my favorite things to do is to upcycle. These cups and saucers were no longer in use, and with the help of some epoxy, my husband has put this together for me, specifically for the use in the trees for my bird suet. And you can use other bowls as well that you've got in your house. Please don't go out and buy some stuff, use whatever you have. Now that we've boiled this mixture for a while, we can now fill up the containers. As you can see here, I've put some in these cups, and I've also put in a dowel, a piece of dowel or any other stick that you have, so that the birds can sit on that. And I'll show you now how to present it in the trees to be very attractive for the birds. Once you fill these and you still have some left, put it in any other container like I've showed you before. This is the one that I use. I put it flat on the ground for the birds to eat, and you will be amazed at which ones you can attract in this way. Here then is how I present it. I've just put a little bit of ribbon on so it can be hung in the tree, and voila, there you have it, some suet for your birds. Isn't it gorgeous? There they've come to eat a little bit of it already. And here is the ones that I've put on the floor. And you can see the common starling is eating just that, ignoring all the mealyworms and eating a lot. They love it, but so will your doves as well. All the types of doves. I hope you'll love making it as much as I did. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you soon again.